Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the Wix affiliate program. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm on the wix.com/about/affiliate. So in here, you can make money with Wix by promoting the world's leading web publishing platform. If you don't know Wix yet, then this is actually a tool or a website that can help you create a website. So it can help you with marketing your products, selling online, making a blog, or anything like that. So when we scroll down on this specific page of the Wix, we can actually see some perks, commissions, affiliate links, and the likes of this in here. So let's try to scroll down. In here, you can see that you can become a Wix affiliate, and they can give you all the tools you need to promote Wix on your website and earn top commissions. Conversion rates for premium plans are through the roof, so direct your traffic to Wix to earn big. So the people just need to sign up to your Wix affiliate link, and once they've done that, you will be able to earn some big money. So how much does it take in order to get a traffic? So here's what you'll get as an affiliate. You'll receive a competitive payout for every conversion. So in here, you can see you can actually receive payout for this one. They doesn't really specify that, but based on my last research, they gave around $100 for every referral that you have. So it's only a one-time payment and it's not recurring, but it is a good thing or method in order to earn money fast. So when you scroll down, as you can see, you can have unlimited referrals. So you can get $100 unlimited once people sign out to your link. So in here, they also have creative resources that can help you in order to sign up to their affiliate program. So you can choose their high-performing and regularly refreshed creatives. And then from in there, you can make your sale and then get people to sign up to Wix through you. They also have intuitive dashboard wherein you can see the statistics of the thing or the people that you have actually invited on Wix. So once you click on this become an affiliate, you will be redirected to sign up at wixaffiliates.com, wherein you will actually fill this out in order to become an affiliate with them. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know the Wix affiliate program. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.